Shawty's like a melody in my.
What's going on, guys? We're trying a little Arby's today. Got some sliders. Got the roast beef one. What'd you get?
I got the buffalo chicken.
Let's try it out.
This is fire already.
Oh, cheese is nice and melty. Don't know if you can really see it. It's a little melty on top there, where my finger is. Roast beef, high quality.
There's been too much Arby's slander recently. We had to change the dynamic.
We gotta try it out. Oh, this roast beef.
Getting that crunch. Has some crunch. They have outdoor seating now, I guess, which is really just a foldable table and 2 chairs from inside.
Wow, high quality sandwich.
We're fancy, so we eat with the pinky up.
If you want to be fancy, hold your pinky up like this. The higher you hold it, the fancier you are.
Now, roast beef's good. Cheese is perfect. Nice and melted. I give this an 8.5 out of 10.
I give this probably a 8.256.
Good number.
The crunch makes it happen.
Would definitely recommend going to Arby's right now.
Fire.
Oh yeah.
There were like 2 people inside.
The slider was amazing. All right, thanks for watching, guys.
Sliders are like $1.59 or something. Fantastic.